Hey there! I'm John from CNC. Today, we're diving into the world of foam cutting and how to pick the perfect tool for the job. Stick around if you want to cut through the hassle. Let's slice into the 4 advantages of using an oscillating knife for foam cutting. First up, efficiency. We're talking fast processing speeds, high precision, and smooth edges, reaching up to a blistering 1,200 millimeters per second. Next, flexibility. Forget molds. Just import your design, custom cuts ready for rapid delivery. Third, we're all about being green. No smoke or dust compared to those laser and milling machines. Breathe easy, folks. Lastly, simplicity. Lower your reliance on skilled technicians. Get up to speed in just 2 to 3 days. Yes, it's that easy. When choosing your foam cutting warrior, consider these 3 crucial aspects: tool durability, machine's bang for your buck, and how it'll boost your profit margins by reducing operational costs. Now, let's match tools to foam types. Cutting EVA foam? Our 400W high-power oscillating tool is your best bet. Why? It handles up to 110 mm thickness, and its robust design keeps it going strong, can meet the requirements of EVA foam cutting with hardness of 35 to 80. For EPE foam, go pneumatic. Its high vibration frequency slices through low-density EPE like a hot knife through butter, up to 110 mm thick. Need versatility? Combine 400W EOT and pot for EVA and EPE foam cutting. Want engraving foam? Add a high-speed milling tool for engraving and ace multiple jobs with one machine. Want more efficient? Maximize efficiency with our dual head mode. 2 tools working in tandem doubles your productivity, as demonstrated here. There you have it, our guide to choosing the right foam cutting tool. I hope this sheds some light and helps you cut through the decision-making process. Got questions? Drop them below or shoot us an email. We're here to provide expert advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.